today is the day that I'm going to send this to the USPS. So today is Saturday. So meron dito sa area namin na open siya hanggang merong 12, 8 to 10, meron ding 9 to 12. Tapos ayun na nga, pupunta kami sa town. Tapos yun, may open doon until 2 PM. So, papasa ko na siya. So, definitely, maybe, hopefully, ma-receive na nila on Monday. Kasi sabi sa website na kapag na-receive na nila yung papers, then, within 24 hours, bibigyan na nila ako ng receipt notice. And from there, ayun na. We'll see kung ano na mangyayari dito. So, nilagay ko siya dito sa yellow envelope. And then, after that, ilalagay ko pa siya sa, pinakita ko sa inyo kagabi yung ano, nung previous, kung nanood kayo ng video ko, kasi kagabi ko siya inano. So, ilalagay ko siya sa medium box ng USPS. Nandito, yung box ng USPS sa akin. I-assemble ko na lang doon. So, para, ano, mas okay. Tapos, ayun, nilagyan ko na lang din siya ng cover letter ng mga ganito. So, parang same lang din dun sa cover letter ng ano ko, sa front page ng cover letter ko. Tinanggal ko lang yung mga, ano, nilagyan ko lang ng full packet para alam nila na nandito na sa loob yung I-130 ko, I-485, 864, 765, tsaka I-131. So, ayun, tatanggalin na lang nila. So, yung sticky tabs ko, kung paano ko siya pinasok, nandito, yung sticky tabs ko, yung nandito sa pinaka dulo. Tapos yung ano ko, pabaliktad ko siya. So nandito sa dito sa yung part na to yung clip binder. So ayun, para kasi kung pag ganun yung ano ko, yung sticky tabs. So yun yung concern ko talaga, yung sticky tabs. Na sana hindi magtanggal-tanggal kasi kapag natanggal yung mga sticky tabs, and that's it. So ayun. I mean, well, hopefully hindi siya talaga matanggal kung paano ko siya na-send. Ganun din siya. Ayun na nga. So, pupunta kami na. Tapos, ito, wish me luck. Let's see. And I will keep you posted kung kailan ko, kailan ako makaka-receive ng receipt notice or ng, kasi naglagay ako ng G1145 sa lahat ng forms ko kung magsisend na sila na kung na-receive na nila yung documents ko. Tapos ayun, so magpo-post lang ako ng video, so make sure just keep following my playlist. So may playlist ako doon sa YouTube ko na nakalagay na family base for green card processing. Tapos ayun na. Bye! Hi friends, I'm back. So ito na, dito na kami sa may USPS. Nakita nyo, ang daming mga USPS na nandun, truck or something, car. So ayun sila. Ayan, sample. So meron kaming 1 hour left bago sila magsara. So this is it. Ipapasok ko na ang aking mahiwagang papers. Tan, 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 tan. Oh. There you go.
Turn left. Then the destination is on your left.
Yep. So to be honest, meron mas malapit sa amin kaso nagsara na sila ng maaga kasi late na kaming nagising. So kaya dito na lang. Tapos ayun, we deliver for you. As you can see,
the destination is on your left. United States Postal Service.
Open. Okay, let's go. Hi, ito na siya. So ayun, full service, window open kung nakikita nyo. Tapos we deliver for you. So 9:30 to 2 PM. Just one. Just the box and the paper. Our name. Okay, let's go. And where's the tape? Take the tape in case that they don't have a tape. I will use that. I have the scissors here. There you go. My very supportive hubby. Are you ready?
Yeah, very ready.
We're very ready. So, ito, napakalaki ng USPS dito. So, dun 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 dun. So, mail processing nasa Scottsville Road, Bowling Green, Kentucky. So, help me out, sir. Thank you. Then, let's go. Push it. Okay. It's huge. It's like the one in the Texas. Let's go inside. Are we? There you go. Ayan na. Nilalagay niya.
Where's this go?
It's actually perfect.
Where's this
No,
go?
maybe no need. And then, dun. Oh, so excited. Is that the... No. Oh, no, babe.
What?
I remember.
It doesn't matter which way. It's going to be the same when they ship it around. I'm just saying. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Where's the paper?
Should have got some stuff to cram in there to keep it tight.
Well, they have the paper there or something
No.
inside.
The stuffing?
Yeah.
No.
Like an envelope,
Yeah.
like with let me don't seal it first. Just give me a second.
They have a real bad one.
This one. Look.
No, babe.
No.
You can put it in there.
No. Just take it out. You ready? And this is it.
Let's go. You need to put the...
No. The tape is there.
We don't need the tape.
Oh, okay. It's already sealed.
So you have to tell them where you're shipping this.
Yeah. We don't need that inside. And we have to line up.
Okay, that's what I'm going to put in there. Cause I can't just no cabbage bird. Okay, let's get out of here.
This is it.
I need to see that. Well, you make this legible. I tried. You did a good job. You got it just right. Here we go.
You ready to send that? You ready?
Yes, finally.
Finally. You did not even prepare for that one. It's a 1-year preparation.
Okay, got Privacy Act right there, man.
Let's go.
Oh, this was it.
Alright, this is it. Yeah, we should just put the bubble wrap so it's not wiggly. So it's very heavy.
Can you make it a whole lot easier? It takes about 7 minutes. Well, let's get it there then. Let's get it there. Let's make it happen. Let's get you here. Okay, civil penalty statement say you're not committing a crime because it's a bad day to be in jail. And you ain't getting out the Monday because you're playing golf.
Okay. Alright.
Then does it contain anything liquid, fragile, person, potential hazardous, or living bad perfume, mercury, aerosol? I said it real fast because I know y'all probably don't have it in there.
No.
Just papers.
Gotcha. Like now, this will be 1915. Should be there by Wednesday.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna verify the PO box. Why you need it there sooner?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Verify and make sure that is correct.
I'm gonna email all of them.
Here.
You have it?
It is here. By Wednesday. Okay.
Okay, you gotta make sure that the right one.
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
Yes, by verifying.
Correct. Expected delivery Wednesday. Okay.
Got you here?
Alright friends, that's it. We already sent everything. There's no coming back. It's either they will give us request for evidence or interview, but hopefully they're not gonna give us that anything. And yeah, so yung box namin medyo, yung medium box, may mga space siya. So definitely aalog siya ng marami. Tapos ang concern ko lang naman talaga yung sticky tabs, but hopefully it's intact. So yung spouse ko ask if they can put handle with care. So according to the guy, there's no they don't have those kind of labels, but hindi din nila pwedeng ilagay yung fragile kasi nga wala namang babasagin, puro papers lang. So yun na lang. Well, nilagyan niya, tinape niya priority in mail kasi nga yung papers namin or yung box na yun pupunta sa Nashville, tapos toss it out everywhere, and then so by Wednesday nandun na yung aming papers. So that's it, we'll see from there. Bye.